We're live, baby. All right, I was experiencing a few technical difficulties, but we made it through. Okay, so first off, good morning. Um, let's get this thing going because we got 4 minutes till the market opens. I have some key levels that I do want to point out. Support at 44.19. And if you could just give me a thumbs up, let me know if it looks good or not. But anyways, support at 44.19. We've bounced off of it. And man, you know what I'm going to do right now? We bounced off of a key level. We're bouncing off of this key level here at 44.21, which I really like. But we got 3 minutes till the market opens. Federal, we have at 7 Pacific time, we have Jerome Powell, who's going to testify. So that could shake up the market just a tad bit. For now, we are focused on our levels. We are focused, and I have this zone highlighted, and I expect price to respect this zone and bounce, and then my other area of interest is going to be at 44.28 up to 44.31. That is a really nice 2-hour demand zone, plus a few other confluences that are reinforcing that zone there. 44.19, and I really believe we will see maybe a downtrend today and maybe test these lower lows, this 44.10 level. It seems, looking at the high time frame context, it seems as if price wants to test those levels again. We tested them yesterday. We saw a really strong rejection. I think we might go for the second test today. Unless we break past this 44.30 level, then I think that thesis there would be invalidated. But for now, I do expect a little pullback into this area, and then depending on how price reacts, we could potentially short that. I really like this zone though, I will say that. And the only reason I'm not getting in is because 2 minutes till the market opens. I definitely don't want to be involved. I don't want to get in just yet and then be in the middle of a mess. So we're just going to stay patient here. And I hope you guys are having a great morning. Once again, I appreciate you guys hopping on. We are live streaming every single morning. So I do expect this zone to be respected here, but let's see what happens. We found ourselves a double bottom here, broke past the key level. We're seeing some nice volume. And let me know if it looks okay. If there's anyone here watching, let me know if it looks okay. Let's get it started. Okay, so that's why I didn't want to get in. You never know. You never know, honestly. As good as a zone may look, like this was an amazing zone. It was holding up as good as it looks. You definitely don't want to be caught up in the middle of trading as the market opens. So let's just get to it, man. I really think we're going to test 44.10 here. 44.10. And I don't want to short the lows here. I would prefer waiting for a pullback. Too many people, they see price moving and they just want to short immediately. Just wait for a pullback, dude. That's a nice little zone there, actually. This 44.19 level, if we can get up here, I like that because we'd be supported by 44.20. So if we can get above, if we can get back above 44.19, I wouldn't mind trying to scalp it to the downside, targeting 44.10. That's if it comes back though. If it comes back. If it comes back to that 44.19 level, I would be interested in shorting it for a quick scalp to 44.10. And the base keeps running it. Let's get it. Yeah, I like that. Honestly, if we can get to 44.19, like I said, I'm open to shorting it. I'm open to shorting it. I am ready for that little pullback there into 44.19. If you look at the higher time frames, you can tell that we had a very strong rejection at 44.10, but price after that has continued to downtrend. So I really think price wants to retest that 44.10 level. So if we can get a quick little scalp to start off our morning, that would be amazing. Quick little scalp right here from 44.19, risking about 2-3 points. That could be a nice little play right there. I'm feeling good today, man. Yesterday we took an L, but today is our comeback. Today we get another opportunity to come back. So wish me luck. We do have quite a bit of orders here at 44.15. I don't know if you're looking at any order flow tools, you'll be able to tell we have a big block of orders here at 44.15. Now, I don't have that as a level. I don't have 44.15 as a level. I mean, it is a psychological level. Good morning, good morning. What's going on, my boy? Man, it's good to see the same faces here, dude. I love it. Lets me know who are the ones that take this serious. So this 44.15 level, it's pretty heavy. The amount of size is pretty heavy. But I don't have anything on the charts letting me know that it's a key level unless I'm not seeing something. But yeah, it was relatively, I mean, yeah, we did break past it yesterday and it did hold, but it's not really, I wouldn't really consider it significant. Not a lot of volume. It was pretty weak. So I'm gonna scratch that. I'm still I'd still like to see if we can get to 44.19. I'd like to see if maybe we can just scalp this really quickly down to 44.10. It looks like we might be able to get it right now. Let's get that 44.19 level. Ooh, we got close. We're getting close. Let's get it started. That's the shaded zone. That's my area. That's my area of interest. That's where I want to get in. So I'm just rounding it down to 44.19. Stop loss would be like around 44.21. Risking 2 points. I'm okay taking that. I'm okay taking that. But I don't know if we'll get up to 44.19. Just looking at this really strong rejection that happened a minute ago. It got really close to it. We got to 44.18.75. Man, I'm feeling good today. I don't know if it's because I only slept 5 hours or because I went to the sauna this morning, but I feel really good. And I typically don't sleep 5 hours, by the way. I was being a little sarcastic there, but I couldn't sleep last night. Got up, went to the sauna early in the morning. This was around 4 a.m. Went in there for about 20-25 minutes. Came back home, cold shower. So I'm feeling good right now. Man, we got real close to that 44.19 level. We just literally tagged 44.18.75. We literally just tagged it, came back down, and yeah. I was really hoping we'd hit 44.19, but I guess we're gonna have to sit on the sidelines on this one. We just sweep that 44.15. We just sweeped it. It was a big chunk of orders. It was a really big chunk of orders. And we did a really good job sweeping it. Let's get it started. Seems like price is having a hard time going anywhere, right? Um, Not really the open that I expected. Oh, maybe I'll just shut up. There it goes. It just broke past that level. And just to make it clear, I am not interested in taking this to the upside, not yet. Way too early for me. The only level of interest that I had was 44.19. We didn't get there like I wanted it to. We got really close to it. I was looking for a quick scalp from 44.19 down to this 44.10 level, which I think we're gonna see. We're gonna see a double bottom here. Unless we break it, but I'd be very surprised to see a break. Unless we break 44.10, but I'd be very surprised. Yesterday, if you go back to yesterday, we literally we didn't even tag it. We didn't even get down to 44.10, but we got really close to it, and we saw a really strong rejection. And here, if you're looking at any order flow tools, you'll be able to tell that there are a lot of orders just sitting on the sideline, waiting to get filled. Pretty strong rejection. We're seeing some pretty strong rejections, increasing volume. Those are the first signs you want to see for a reversal, but like I said, it's way too early. Those are the first signs, though. I want to see some strong rejections, increasing volume. But typically, for me to get in on a rejection, I've been very strict with this rule lately because I've made the mistake several times. I've been very strict to wait for a double bottom or a double top if I'm gonna look for the reversal. I can't just see one rejection. I need to see at least two rejections before I get in, because that confirms, for me, it confirms that that level is well defended. it makes it tough for me now to short this 44.19 level just because I see so much selling, but price can't seem to go anywhere. So I think we're bound for a reversal here. And I'm starting to see some buying stepping in. So we hit 44.19. I didn't get in, but we are rejecting it. I'm gonna sit on my hands here. I don't feel comfortable taking any of these plays here. Although we did reject that 44.19, which is what I was looking for, but after what we witnessed right now, this with these these last 15 minutes, I just don't like. I don't like price action right now. I don't. That 44.19 level held just as I expected. I started getting mixed signals. I honestly just don't feel comfortable taking this right now. There's two ways that this can play out. It's either we come down here to this 44.12 level, we reject one more time, we see a double bottom, and then we bounce up, or we break past that 44.12 level, and then we test the 44.10. If we double bottom here, and then we get above 44.18, I'd be interested in taking this long. Let's see how price reacts as we test that 44.12 level. And again, if you guys are looking at the order flow, you guys can see we have a good chunk of orders at 44.12. We have a good chunk of orders at 44.11. Good chunk of orders at 44.10. And we got more at 44.09. Like, we just have this huge area from 44.12 all the way to 44.09 of a bunch of buyers just waiting to get filled. So let's see how this plays out. Up 6K on the Apex. Goddamn, my boy. Sheesh. That boy on fire. Man, that's good to hear, Cam. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. Yo, I see 4 viewers on here. If you can like the button, or hit the like button. There you go. Hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. So like I said, we're seeing a lot of volume here as we hit this 44.12 level. We're seeing a lot of volume. So personally, I don't feel too bad missing out on that 7-point play. I'm sure most of you are familiar on how I trade. I'm looking for at least 10 points. At least 10 points. That way I get a 5-to-1 reward to risk. And I just don't see that panning out right now with all this demand down here. But I could be wrong. Hey, this could potentially go lower. Like, I just see way too much demand here. I'd be very surprised to see sellers break past this. I'm almost hoping this doesn't break, because if it does, I may have missed a huge opportunity here. That 44.19, I was calling it out. All right, all right. Well, we're up 10 points now. We're up 10 points now. The last barrier here is this 44.09. We have, you know, good size here. If we break past this, I missed out. I missed out big. This is looking like it's gonna break. I missed out big, you guys. I missed out big on this one. Ah. Okay, so this could potentially be a fake out. We broke past that 44.10. This could potentially be it here. So I'm not, just to make it clear, I am not interested in that 44.19 level. I'm not. What I'm looking at is if maybe we can get above 44.18. You know, looking at this zone here, if we can get above that, maybe it'll present a good opportunity. Would you look at that? Currently experiencing some major FOMO. Called it out to the T, man. That shit tagged it perfectly. Fucking A. Didn't really have much backing it up. So I just want to make a mental note for future reference. This little pullback that kind of, that not kind of, but it did scare me. This little pullback here, we saw some aggressive buying stepping in this candle here. But a note, or something that I just noticed, was we're not really backed up by anything, right? The only thing that we were backed up was this level of resistance, or support I should say, if that's what you want to call it. This was literally just a level of support here, and that's the only thing backing it up. We didn't break past anything significant, or because I'm looking for opposing zones, and I can't see any opposing zones in this area here that could potentially back this move up, right? So we literally just went up, we found some liquidity, boom, and came back down to our original direction. So that's a mental note for myself. Maybe it will help you guys out too. But that's a really solid play. That's literally my setup right there. The only thing that scared me was that freaking candle right there. But moving on, we've got, we're seeing quite a bit of resistance down. I mean, sorry if I confuse the two. It's just bad habit. But we got quite a bit of support down here. Quite a bit of support down here. There's no key levels. I'm just going based off how price reacts. Like I just look at that. Look at this this 1 minute candle that formed at 7:02. We have a whole lot of volume here. A whole lot of volume here. gotta take a picture of this one for the books. I have an album dedicated to my setup, just literally pictures of it, and they all look identical, just like this one. Just like this one. Yet I pussied out. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted to do. So believe it or not, there's actually patterns that are high probability. But I'm not talking about your triangle or your wedge or your diamond or your inverted circular sphere, triangular prism. So many different patterns out there. Most of those, if I'm being honest with you, don't fucking work. And I can tell you that because I've tried them out. They don't work. You search up chart patterns, you go on images, all those shit, most of them don't work. Most of them don't work. So be careful on the type of education you're consuming. I'm looking at different patterns that are based off of key levels and volume. That's what I'm looking for. Strong rejection down here. This looks like a good place to get out had I been in short. And the reason I'd get out here is because we've double bottomed here. We're starting to see that. This would have been a nice place to get out. We're just seeing very strong rejections down here at this 4404 level. And that could have been a 15-point move. Very nice move there. So congratulations to anyone that did catch it. My hat's off to you for not being a pussy. Because I pussied out on that one. I pussied out, not gonna lie. I like this for a reversal here. It's starting to set up for a nice reversal here. If we can get above 44.15, I'd be interested in going long. 44.15, this level here. Let's see how it reacts as we break past that level. If we could break past it. So we ain't pussing out anymore. Mama ain't raised no. We're gonna see if we can break past this level here. I like the aggression that's stepping in. We've double bottomed. These are pretty good confluences that I'm constantly looking for. And speaking of chart patterns, the only ones that I preach are double bottom, double tops, because those are the ones that actually work. I'm ready to go, baby. Let's go. Let me see something. I'm debating whether I want to get in after we break past 44.14 or 44.15. I'm gonna have to wait to see the volume that comes in as we break those levels. So that's something that I'm looking at very carefully every single time we break past the zone. Like what's the volume that's stepping in? Is it significant enough? Is it high enough for me to take that trade? So far, I like the momentum we're building here. I like it. We're going to get in as we break past 44.14, open above it, and then find that immediate retest. If we can get it. Oh my goodness. Don't tell me. Don't tell me you're going to take off without me. Ah, bruh. Don't do me like that. Come on. Oh my goodness. You're funny. You're funny. You better get back here. Come on. You better get back here. You better get back here. 44.14. I'm going to hop in. All right. I'm hopping in. I'm hopping in. Stop loss is at, I want to say 44.13. I got in at 44. Not the best entry, I'm not going to lie. Not the best entry. So I may have to risk a little more here. Let's bring it down to 44.12. I think 44.12 might. It's actually. All right, so I'm in for longs. That shit was so funny. It just ran off without me. You really think I'm going to miss twice? You really think I'm going to miss twice? You're funny. All right, so we got in at 44.15 for longs. And we did come to that 44.14 level. Had I been a little patient, I could have caught a better entry, but we're in it. We're in, baby. All right. Let's hope for the best. I'd want to target 44.28, 44.30 maybe. If this thing can get up above our initial level, which was our 44.19 level, if we can get above that, I'll be able to breathe. I'll be able to breathe then. So let's get above 44.19, and then let's target 44.30. That's what I'm hoping for. I wish I would have caught a better entry here, honestly. I'm risking a little more than what I'd like to risk. I'm risking 4 points right now. Oh, please work. You did such an amazing job. Let's just find a little more momentum here to the upside. Come on. Man, I'm not liking this, bro. Fuck, dude. Come on, let's go. I just don't like that how much I've risked so far. Honestly, I just not a good entry.
Stop, Phil.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? That's annoying. I'm still holding in my other account, but damn, bro. I have faith in this 4411. I have faith in that level. Come on. Once we break past that, then I'm completely fucked. Okay, we're seeing some volume stepping in. Let's just get above that 4415 level. Come on. There it is. There it is. Come on. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Don't be shy. Come on. Man, I should have moved my stop loss to that perfectly, right? You guys see that gray shaded area? It's respecting it's at least respecting the 4411. Once we can get 4419, like I said, I'll be able to breathe. Right now we're still too close to my entry. I don't like it. Trading is so much easier when you don't have to suffer so much drawdown. And some of the best plays that I've seen for myself is when we literally just tag the zone like we tagged it on that first one. We literally just tagged 4419, no drawdown, boom, it worked out. Once we get into the zone like this, honestly, I start to question it. Come on. Am I not seeing something here? Why are we having a hard time? I know I took a fat L on my futures account. Why are you being so damn stubborn, girl? Come on. Finger on the trigger here. This is not what I like to see, but fuck. I'm seeing a little bit of a rejection. Okay. We just gotta find continuation here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I like that rejection there. Oh my goodness. Fuck it, I'm holding it. I'm holding. It's a tug of war right now. I don't like it. I honestly, like, this isn't how it was supposed to play out. Man, if we can get above 44.15, I think that might be a good sign. I don't want to see you drop again. Come on. 44.15. Let's get above it. Come on. Man, this has been a tough trade, honestly. Not a good trade. I'll admit it. I saw the damn setup and, you know, I thought it was going to work out a little cleaner. Man, I should take some off the table, to be honest. Fucking whack ass price action here. This market's playing games with me, dude. Ugh. We're staying in it. We're staying in it. You guys just might see me take an L right now. I've already I've already accepted the loss because this is not my setup, you guys. This is not it. It was looking good until it wasn't. And on top of that, I got in pretty early. I got in at 44.15. I thought maybe we'd hold. Maybe if I scold at the screen hard enough, it might just turn around. Yeah. We outie. I don't like it. Took an L. The moment I get in, it wants to do all this choppy shit. Yeah, dude. Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be so rude? Alright. Let's see. How much was the damage? Let's see. 144. Okay, in my options account. This one, on the other hand, this one's gonna be the big one. Why you gotta... Oh, now you decide to get above. Nice. Nice. I see how it is. I see how it is. This is gonna be the big one right now. Oof, I'm kind of scared. 600. Yeah, on my futures account. That's the big one. 600. Yeah. Not the best entry and clearly not the best price action. So if you got in and if you're still staying in, honestly, if I were you, do as you wish. Do as you wish. But this action right here is not favorable. It's definitely a tug of war between buyers and sellers, which means you got a 50-50 chance. That is not a high probability setup. Bro, are you serious? Are you serious? I mean, I don't want to get too excited. Or I should say I don't want to speak too soon, but like now we're above 44.15. Now we're starting to find acceptance, like sucks when you miss an opportunity. This actually happened to me yesterday. I missed an opportunity, and then on the play that I actually get in, I take an L. Very, very disappointing. No one said this shit was gonna be easy. This thing is not easy, bro. It will mess with you in every way, especially mentally. Marry that girl, marry her anyway. Why you gotta be so rude? it's looking a little more favorable now. I mean, we're now getting above 44.15. We're starting to make little lower, little higher highs. It's looking favorable now. Let's see if we can break past 44.17. No. Well, we really have to break past this 44.19. That's going to be the real test. Let's see how that reacts. All right. Wow. This thing's putting me to sleep, dude. I don't get it. I don't understand why. Why? I wonder if Jerome Powell is still like testifying. That could potentially have something to do with it. Jerome Powell testimony. Okay, so he's still testifying, and maybe, I don't know, maybe that can have something to do with it. I don't know how long he's going to testify for. But maybe once he's done, maybe we can see some direction. That'd be nice, right? Some direction would be nice, because right now we've just kind of flatlined. Why you gotta be so... How many people we got on here? We got 2 viewers. Serious question, okay? Very serious question. What coffee do you guys drink? Because I think I'm gonna switch over to coffee instead of drinking tea in the morning. Put it in the chat. Let me know what coffee you guys drink. I need something like energizing that can. Let me think about it. Actually, I would like something that I can drink before a workout. That doesn't cause a crash, right? That's another one. Preferably with mushrooms, right? If you guys have any recommendations, I'd appreciate it. Ugh. Dude, this action is so freaking lame. When you think we're about to make higher highs, it's like, psych. You thought? You thought, motherfucker? No one drinks coffee here? It's quite a surprise, honestly. No one drinks coffee? No recommendations? Any caffeine at all? Energy drinks? Pre-workouts? Yo, if you haven't already, hit the like button. The algorithm appreciates it, and I do too. And for anyone that can't read, maybe you're dyslexic, it says that I do daily live streams, and I do daily live streams. I'm here every single morning, Monday to Friday, 10 minutes before the market opens. I will be here. Sorry this is happening, you guys. Not much I can say here. We're just kind of here. How tight is this range? We got a 6-point range right now. I mean, this is gonna cause, once we do break out of it, I think we will see a big move. But as of right now, it's just tough. I'm looking at this. That could potentially be a good zone there. But it is inside the range, and it is it's a lower probability trade. But we would have to see we would have to see price close below it and then find that immediate retest. That's how I trade. That's how I've been trading. That's what works for me. Sometimes it works. All right, well, that looks pretty solid. Okay. Why not?
Order filled.
All right, we're in. Let's do it. Why not? Stop loss is at 44.15. We are in short. We're in short. We close below it. I'm going in. I'm doing it. You guys heard it. Order filled. I'm taking that risk. Higher risk. It's higher risk, lower probability. I will say that. But we could potentially redeem ourselves right here. This could be it. Don't play with my feelings now. All right, we're in. We got in at 44.12. And we are currently up. Let's test the lows. I don't want to get too excited, but I am. This could potentially work. I like that we broke past this 44.10. I just don't want to see. I would hate to see like a fake out here. That would suck. But I like that we got in at a good entry this time around. We got in. Oh, it worked. Lower probability setup. It worked. I'm being a little goofy. No, look. So what I saw was this zone here, and I like the volume as we broke past it, and I figured, hey, there's some liquidity here, which I'm sure price is gonna want to take out. So, yeah, that was literally my thesis there. I know it's super spontaneous, but I had just noticed it, and I was like, hey, you know what? This could potentially work. I would like to see a test of the lows. I'll trim. I'd be okay trimming some there. So far, it looks pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie. And the reason it was lower probability was because we were in a tight range, right? So, you know, we are susceptible to fake outs when we're in a tight range like this. But like I said, it looks pretty good now. We broke past that 44.10. If we can just stay below it, that'd be nice. But look at the volume that came through. A lot of volume came through right now. Whole lot of volume. We got 6 viewers on here, but only 4 likes. If you guys can like the video, I would highly appreciate it. Thank you for your services. All right, so we're in, baby. We are gonna test the lows here. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm asking the market to test the lows. It could be a little stubborn sometimes, but we'll see. We'll see how this plays out here. I still see 4 likes. So we'll make a deal. If I get price to test the lows, everybody has to like this video. If we get price to test 44.04, everybody has to like the video. All right, you guys like that? Let's do it. 44.04, here we come. Ooh, you guys better get ready. You guys better start hovering over that like button. It's gonna test it. I know it is. 44.04. I'm hoping it does. Ooh, you guys better start hovering over that like button. 4404, here we come. Is anybody else in this play? Let's go, baby. 4404, here we come. So I'm currently in this play. We got in at 4412. We're up about 6 points right now, and we are gonna test the lows here, and I'll trim some there. Oh, you guys better start liking the button. You guys better start hitting that button. 4404, here we come. Oh, we tested it. I need a like from everybody. I need a like from everybody.
Order filled.
Oh, damn it. Did I buy more? I'm so stupid. Wait, hold up. Oh my god, I bought more. Meant to sell it. Jesus.
Order canceled.
Oh my goodness. What am I doing? No. Oh, you're trading like an amateur, bro. Hold up. Let me just get out because I'm like, I think I might have done something stupid. Yo, I still see 4 likes. Hey, you guys have to hold up. You guys have to respect the deal. We tested the lows. Did I not say we're gonna test the lows? I'm over here trading like an amateur, bruh. I don't know what I did, but I think I clicked the wrong button and I added to my position instead of getting out. Silly. You silly Billy. So I'm still in this. I'm hoping 4408 can hold. Can act as resistance, and then maybe we could bank just a little more. That'd be nice. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, come on. Stop loss is currently at 4408.50. So I don't want price getting above that, because if not, I will be getting stopped out. I'm hoping we can just bank a little more on this play. Just a little more. Hit me, baby, one more time. Let's get it. Come here. Damn it. think we might break past 4408. Oh, we did. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see what happened here because I totally screwed this up. Oh my goodness, bruh. How did I totally screwed this up. All right, learn from my mistakes, you guys. Learn from my mistakes, okay? If you are gonna short to get out of a position, you have to buy, okay? Don't sell again. Oh, I'm such a silly duck, dude. Yeah, we're still down on the day just because I made that stupid mistake. Like I said, if you read it down below, it says not financial advice. This is purely for entertainment purposes, clearly. It's to show you guys how not to trade. Oh, okay. Well, that kind of sucks. That was a nice little play, honestly. I'll take that little scalp any day of the week. What's up with this big ass move though? Where did this come from? I'm gonna hop back in. We're gonna buy at 44.10.
Order filled.
All right, we got in at 4409.5. So let's see if this can hold here. And I know price wants to sweep the liquidity up here at 44.17. So I know we're gonna test these highs up here. So this is my level, okay, 4409. I like that we're being supported by 4410, which is a psychological level, as you guys know. We're being supported by that, and then I have a feeling price wants to sweep the liquidity up here. So let's do this. Let's try this one more time. I have 6 viewers on here, but only 4 likes. If we get to 44.17, you guys have to like the video. Like, you guys have to this time. Because if I called out 2 plays in a row like this, I think that's worth a like. All right, cool. Deal. Let's do it. Game face. Let's do it. You know what I am a little concerned about is this our original level holding, right? Like we're starting to see that. So that could play against us. Which means you guys won't have to like the video. And I guess that's okay. You guys don't have to. But I don't want that zone playing against us. That would not be good. But I do like that we have a double bottom, right? We touched, if you guys tell from this morning, earlier today, we bounced off of 4403. We bounced off of it. We bounced off of it again. Sorry, I can't speak. We bounced off it again, and so that's letting us know that we do have some nice defense here, right? And now we're starting to see aggression. We broke past this opposing zone. So I'm hoping that we can break past 44.12. That would be amazing if we can do that. I really do think we're going to test 44.19. And that's what I'm shooting for, because honestly, this has the characteristics of a sideways range, honestly. All right, here we come. I'm hoping we can break past this level here, that this 44.12. It's not the best zone, honestly. It's not the best zone, and the fact that we kind of broke out of this range, I really think price wants to sweep the liquidity up here at 44.17. So if we can get past that, we're gonna test 44.20, and that's where I would take some profits. And I'm gonna do it right this time, okay? So I bought, which means I now have to sell. All right, just a trading 101. We already broke past that level, so I'm gonna actually get rid of it here. Get rid of this one. That way it looks a little cleaner, right? We're in, baby. Let's go. Let's do this. Come on. I hope you guys are finding value. You know, in all seriousness, like I do this not only for myself, but I also do it for you guys. That way, you guys, we can kind of learn off of each other. That's kind of the idea behind trading gear. I want to learn off of people, and I also want to teach people. So start building that network. So in all seriousness, I really do hope you guys are finding some value. I still have a long way to go, right? I see myself being a far better trader, but I take this very seriously, and I want to meet people that also take trading serious. So I love to see the same faces on here. I love to see Tom. I see Top Com all the time. I see my boy Cam too. He's always on here showing love. So I love to see that, man, because I can tell that you guys are taking this seriously just like I am. So let's get it, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it. Man, that 44.15 is acting as tough resistance. I don't like it. But as long as we could kind of stay above, as long as we could kind of stay above 44.11, I'm not too concerned. I'm just looking at the candles, you guys. Like the 1 minute really helps. If you understand candlesticks, like you guys can, it's really gonna help you out once you fully understand the story that they're painting. Ugh, I don't like to see that, bro. These are all lower probability setups, just because of the fact that we're in this range, dude. Like, honestly, I hate trading these ranges. I hate it. But I'm gonna take what I can get. I'm gonna take what I can get. We're still in it. We're still in it, and let's hope that 44.10 level holds. You got me something that keeps me so off balance. Baby, you're a challenge. Hey boy, I really wanna see you. Don't wanna go. I definitely didn't want to see this. I thought maybe we would sweep the highs up here at 44.17. But my stop loss is currently at, let me get this up here. It's way too low. It's currently at 44.08. All right, baby girl. Have a good day, okay? Be safe. This is a red flag right here, because if we break below this, we'll actually have an opportunity to the downside. I'm gonna tighten this up a little bit.
Stop filled.
There you go. Man, what's up with these plays, bruh? No continuation. I hate it. Man, it's very frustrating when we're just in a range. Bye, baby girl. I'm not gonna trade this, you guys. The plays, to my credit, the plays are spot on. There's no continuation. I mean, that 44.15 level rejection, we didn't even have a lot of volume when we got up here. I guess we did a little bit. No, we didn't. If you look at that 801 candle, we had very little volume in this candle here. But this is just a sideways range, you guys. Once again, I hate trading these. Very tough. Very tough. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl. Boo! All right, you guys. I'm gonna just call it. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna go to Target and find myself a good coffee, since you guys had no recommendations for me. Um, but I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. Right, we let's go. Just have a brief little review. Um, Missed out on a good play here, and honestly, this has been the best play so far from 44.19 down to 44.04, 15-point play, very nice. Second play the second trade we took, if I remember correctly, was this one here at 44.14, and this is where everything got really lackluster. No direction really. Exited for a loss, and then this was, so I've already taken 3 trades. Okay, so I'm done. I'm done for today. But this was another nice little play here. Right, lower probability. I don't like trading when we're inside a range, but I guess I just said fuck it. And then this was the other one. We were up until we weren't. So that was literally that's been my day today. Not the best day, but it's also not a good day in the market. I mean, except for this one. Very tough to trade. Maybe I'll hop back on here later and see if I can spot any good opportunities. But as of right now, with these conditions, it's a no-go for me. So catch you guys tomorrow. I will be on here 10 minutes before the market opens. And once again, I appreciate you guys showing love. Peace.